Good morning!
Good morning!
Hey, we're gonna do a mommy and me maternity photo shoot today. Tim's gonna take our pictures. I am currently 36 weeks pregnant. I wanna document my baby bump before the baby arrival. So we're gonna get ready. Olivia, let's go put our makeup on.
Let's go pick up mommy all your makeup.
Okay. Say, go ask Daddy. Say, Daddy, am I pretty?
Daddy.
We're gonna take it in here. It's the brightest room in the house right now. Okay, so I just finished a mommy and me photo shoot with my daughter Olivia, and boy was that a really hard photo shoot. She was fussy, so we thought maybe she needs a nap. And then she took a nap and she was still acting the same. I think it's a toddler thing. I think it's a 2-year-old thing. But we're done. I got a few pictures that I like, which is actually successful. If you get like 5 photos, it's a good day. We're gonna make banana bread because we love banana bread and it's such a perfect weather for it. Raining and gloomy outside, so we're gonna stay home and make banana bread. Okay, Lydia? You gonna help mommy?
Yes.
Yes? I have all my ingredients out and ready. So if you guys are curious, I will post the recipe. I've made banana bread a few times and this is my favorite recipe so far. Who's up there? Who's that?
It's Uncle Ben.
It's Uncle Vin, are you sure?
Yes.
What's up, guys? Hello!
Look who's here!
She's eating candy.
She's eating candy.
Eating candy?
The bread is finished and it smells so good. You want some, Olivia? You want some? Brother is in town. Taking him out to dinner.
Yay.
It's been what? 7 months?
7 months.
7 months. He's been avoiding Georgia because the weather's been bad.
I don't know how to do.
When she's attached to anybody, she wants that person to take her potty. And right now she's attached to Uncle Vin.
I cannot do.
And Uncle Vin refused to take her.
I don't know how to do.
Uncle, take her. She got to go potty.
I don't know how to do.
Daddy will take you, okay?
Should I walk in with you? Daddy.
Go to sleep, or else we can't go to church tomorrow. Because you can't wake up on time. And then you can't see your friends. You want to play with Uncle Vin?
No, this later for a little bit.
You just want to lay here for a little bit? Okay, just for a little bit. And then you can go back into your room. Say good night.